Matthew, recently few candidates came to us, rather to me, that they have got a visa rejection through different agencies. But when they came to us, we had a success also with the same candidates. Why was that they got a visa rejection earlier, and when it came to us, why our people could make it a success? What was the main reasons for that?
Okay, you are specifying about
Student visa.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay, sir. For applying for a visa, if you are planning to study abroad and you are going to apply for a student visa, you need to take care of several factors. In that, the main factors are like you should have a proper fund arrangement which should meet the requirement as per the immigration department.
Okay.
Then you can see in the immigration website itself for all the countries. And second thing, you should prepare a strong and genuine SOP with proper explanation regarding your entire project. And the third thing, all the documents what you are submitting to the immigration department for the visa application should be genuine.
Okay. That means they should have a proper genuine documents with them.
Exactly.
Okay. So that is why I think our visa department is getting almost 98% success.
Yes, we are making sure of that.
Contact us for more information, and if you are planning for a visa, contact us. We will make sure that we will check your eligibility and give you a clear information whether it is a success or a rejection. Thank you.